right. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 of my earnings. Yeah, my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is traveling. I need to get up, I think. I need to be on my plane. My mind running to the other side. I need time to leave my life. I need time to let me out. I'll do what I need. Right, yeah. I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need my mind now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my mind now.
Tetfu, Mahlalela.
Thank you for joining me today. I hope you'll enjoy the video. I am Tetfu Mahlalela. If you're here for the first time, please feel at home and enjoy. And if you're a regular Zekile, honey, you know I've got endless love for you. So you guys have seen the title. It is a productive vlog, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be a spend a day with me or it's gonna be 2 or 3 days, you know, like just a few days. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, right now it's 8:30. I have a class like right now, but yeah, I'm gonna leave my room because my department is very close. So yeah, you guys already saw me making that thingy, that drink, you know, just to ensure that the girl is all ready for the day and healthy. So yeah, that's just about it. I also exercised and I had breakfast. So yeah, right now we're going to class, and I think after that I'll go to stock for my business, and then I'll prepare supper when I come back, and later on I'll probably go to the library. So yeah, let's see if we can do all of that. Actually, even wanna go to the gym. I mean, if time allows, then I'll go. So yeah, enjoy.
When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you call me to my yard, uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm not. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be glad.
Why is the music still playing? Hey sweethearts, I'm back from stalking. I'm back from class. You know, so yeah, that's just about it. I couldn't take you guys with me to town because like it's a Belleville, guys, and the place is not friendly. Also, there's nothing interesting, you know. Later on I'll go study. I think I looked cute. I don't know, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit because you guys know how I feel about this room and everything, but let me try to show you. Just wearing I was wearing maroon boots. I carried my maroon tote bag, wearing this jersey, and I'm wearing my denim. Let me show you.
Yeah, babe. Can you put the time on a rewind? Yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. There you go, call on me. When you call me, I come. But there you go again. With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence.
Hey my loves, today we're going for a netball match and this is what's going inside my bag. Yeah, because I'll leave here wearing, I don't know what I'll be wearing, but yeah, you guys will see. But this is what's going in my bag: my ribbons, my ties, my socks, my dress, and yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a great day, man.
Can you put the time on a rewind? Yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. There you go, call on me. When you call me, I come. But there you go again. With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm kidding. Cry now from the side, now call my name. Fall down when you see me, you know that I will stay for you. I will wait for you.
Don't mind the pimple, because if the pimple was not here, then it was gonna be perfect, something which does not exist, you know. So can we appreciate the beauty? Can we appreciate the babe, because the babe is bathing? Can we, darling, I'm gonna mess this up. Anyways, I hope you guys are good, my loves. It's a Saturday and I am going for a match. You guys already saw me getting ready, so yeah, let's go play. I don't know if I will be able to film, like if I'll find someone to film for me the whole thing. And also I don't want this vlog to be too long, so it might be the last day today. So yeah, shall we? I'm feeling cute and everything. Like, is this even normal? My braids are really old, but honey, I'm giving. I don't know how, but okay. See you, or I might have to just end it. Actually, let me just make an outro just in case.
Defense, defense, defense. Hands. Legs. Hey, nice. Out and in, out and in, out and in. Up and in, yeah. Nice, Tema. Nice, 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 nice. Yes. Stick defense. Yes, make use, ladies. Make use. Make use. Come to the ball. Stick to your partner, stick. Yes, yes. Make use, ladies. Make use, ladies. Oh, unlucky. Aibo, what happened?
Can we just be honest? Can we just be honest? I had to cut the netball clips, honey, because the lighting is not making sense. Please stop the camera. My loves, thank you so much for reaching this far with the vlog. If you really did enjoy it, please give it a big fat thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you're subscribed, you've liked, be sure to share the video. I mean, in any case, please do share the video so that you help your girl grow. And I love you so much. I'll see you on my next one. Goodbye. Oh, good cut.
Tetfu, Mahlalela.